Some friends of ours have asked us why you can't just nip out in a 7.5 metre long moho. We have been here at Laragoffa for 2 weeks and we're ready to move on. We thought we'd share the breakdown checklist with you.
Okay, so ready. Tracker,
It's on.
security cameras,
They're all set.
stabilisers,
They're up.
chocks away,
The chocks are away.
fresh water level,
100%.
electric cable,
I've put that away and cleaned it.
water hose,
Water hose is away.
grey water level,
Grey water is 0.
gas level,
The gas level, I checked earlier, is 70% main and 100% reserve.
gas off,
The gas is off
and the gas locked.
and the gas is locked.
Walkie-talkies charged,
The walkie-talkies are charged.
and the dobber charged.
The dobber is fully charged and underneath the dashboard.
Bedroom cupboards,
They are locked.
shower head,
It's down.
a loo,
Locked.
bathroom,
Bubble wrapped and locked.
defibrillator,
In the underfloor storage with the green light on.
kitchen,
Bubble wrapped and locked.
fridge on the battery,
Fridge on battery,
spice cupboard,
shut and locked.
windows,
The windows are checked, they're all locked.
blinds down,
The only one that isn't down is this one here. Down.
sunroofs,
1, 2, 3, 4, all locked.
okay, underfloor hatches,
The underfloor latches are closed and the underfloor heating is off.
okay, garage,
Locked.
hydraulic hatch,
Locked.
electric hatch,
Locked.
cooler hatch,
Locked.
passports,
In the bag, under the dashboard.
heating,
Off.
hot water,
Off.
cooling system,
Off.
lights,
Off.
and outside lights,
Off.
auxiliary,
Off.
pumps,
Off.
coordinates in the sat nav,
They're in the sat nav.
habitat power down.
Power down and we're ready to go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,